Oh, I've made a bad choice. Oh well. I'm sure you've heard by now, but there's something that the creators of Costube have been working on for months now, and that goes live in less than a week. I'm super lost about what's going on that weekend, and I'm part of it, so I figured you might be having the same problem. Although by now, the incomparable Noelle of Costuming Drama will have posted the full schedule, so I'm sure most of us have a better idea of what's going on. That said, I still wanted to give you a quick rundown about what you can expect from me for this event. Day 1. Thursday, July 30th at 10 a.m. Pacific time, I will be doing my first video, which is a tutorial that I've been meaning to put out for well over a year now. This tutorial will teach you how to hand sew your very own little sewing kit that will easily fit in your pocket for future events and the after times. Day 2, Friday, July 31st, bright and early at 7 a.m. Pacific time, my friend Amber at Lady of the Wilderness will post the first episode in a series we're collaborating on called Costu Moms. It's a series aimed at all costumers, sewists, makers, whether they have children or are child-free or are bird moms or dog dads, whatever. It just happens to be told from the perspective of two people who are parents and our costumers. It's been a wild ride getting this off the ground, so please go check it out if you'd like to enjoy some secondhand embarrassment. Next up on Friday at 10 a.m. Pacific time, I have the honor of hosting my friend Blair, also known as Craft of Coping. Not only is she an excellent costumer and embroiderer, you may have seen her work over at Penny River Costumes, she's also a licensed professional counselor. Her video is called Mindfulness for Makers and will be very useful to all of us, I'm sure. I can't wait. My last video on Friday is at 11 a.m. Pacific time. This one is yet another collaboration, but this time it's a live panel. This video is all about disability and costuming, and I'm so excited to be a part of it. My fellow speakers and I are really intent on making this panel and video as accessible as possible, so if you miss it, it'll still be on Snappy Dragon's channel afterward. Also, last I heard, we're going to have live captioning for the panel, which would be really cool. Please come hang out with us. Day 3. On Saturday, August 1st at 10 a.m. Pacific time, I'll be showing you how to reconstruct a shift from the mid to late 18th century, right down to the tiny sleeve gathers and buttonholes. So that should be fun for all of us. I'm kidding, please come check it out. Day 4. On Sunday, August 2nd, at Ridiculous O'Clock, also known as 7 a.m. Pacific, there will be the second episodes of the Costu Moms series, this time posted on my channel. This episode is a little bit more geared toward costuming children as opposed to just costuming in general, so makers of small humans, come check it out. My final video for CoCoVid is at 10 a.m. Pacific time, in which I will teach you how to make an 18th century cap. This video ties into my Becoming Felicity series, as it's the cap that I'll be using for the summer dress, which is the next part of the project. So that's it. That's it, I say, as I spout off 7 videos, despite working full-time and trying to keep my household running and trying to mom and not go completely insane. It's fine. I'm linking the entire CoCoVid schedule below, and keep in mind there is not only going to be videos on YouTube, but we have a dedicated Discord server, and there will be events run on Instagram as well. I believe there's a Facebook group. I'll link that below too. Come hang out with us and maybe learn something. See you soon. What's that? Eastern. Capricorn's gonna Capricorn.